Okay, I'm sick of losing, so I was gonna try to do Aiden, so that way, maybe, I can finally win. The negative score is kind of getting to me. Oh, shit. I don't know where to go. Damn, I'm good. Spermy? Yo, I think this is original Spermy. We've reunited. I'm glad I did this. I needed to win. Look at my fucking card that I got, too. Yeah! Oh, Spermy is the fucking best. Oh! That was stupid. Oh, please, collectively suck my dick. Yeah. Ooh, that could be good. Let's see how much money I can get. I start with Guppy's Paw, too. And I have Whore. Interesting. Just take it slow. I do not want to lose the Spermy. Ooh. Well, I'll fuck with that in a second. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Come out here because you cheat when you go in there. It's so good. Oh. Oh, he's got a Spermy too. Dude, you ain't got nothing on me and Spermy though. Fuck you. Oh shit. Did you get frozen? I'll take it. Alright, let's fuck with these pots here. I'll bomb everything I can. Nice. Nope, I want the other thing for that. Give me that, and I'm gonna take it in here. Give me some cheeky bombs. I'll take that. Could be here. Yeah. Well, I'm definitely taking them. Whoops. 8. 8. Alright. Okay! That wasn't too bad. What was in the fucking shop? Oh yeah. Yup. Fuck it. Oh my god, I got an earring! Alright, let's go. I'm feeling very confident. Oh, I knew you'd do it, Spermy, too. I could feel that you were gonna do that. Oh, I got the other one with it. Thank you. Yeah, give me Whore. Oh, he's gonna freeze so many of these fuckers. Ooh. I'm a little too fast right now. Alright. You got a cheap shot in you, bitch. Bitch. How can you see me from there? I don't think you can. Damn, Spermy. Damn, Spermy! Oh, well, that's not gonna do anything. Oh, shit. I just have an urge to, like, push them away when they're I knew he could do that, too, and I fucking stood there. A little overkill. Son of a bitch, dude! Son of a bitch! Yeah. I guess I could have saved the sun card and just used this up. Why do I still have it? I can just use it. Oh, I don't have any keys? Oh, I'm not a whore anymore. Whoops! Oh, I didn't know I could do that. That's cool. I have no fucking clue where I need to go, huh? I guess I'm going the right way, though. Woo! Forgot you get faster. Doesn't mean nothing, though. Not when I got Spermy. Yeah, you're gonna die. I could care less. Ooh! You fancy! You got bombs coming straight out of fucking hell, bro. That's cool. Where's your balls? You don't have balls when you're from hell? Oh, I got you. Yup. I mean... Right, I need to do this, or else I'll die, right? Taking it. Give me that flight. Yeah, give me that fucking flight! Yes, please. Nah, I'm good. Okay. Oh, okay. Wow. I almost used it right before I did this too. I'm glad that I came out here, but I definitely did not remember that these were here. Alright, fuck it. Right? I don't need any of the other things. I like the sun, but I mean the Joker is more valuable. Is it though? I don't have any hearts. We'll be fine. I don't even need another devil deal. I really don't. I really don't. I can definitely make it to the end with this. I just need more hearts. Not a fan of that. Oh, wait. Spikes do not affect me. Yeah, bitch. I love the sun card. I think it's my favorite. Nice. Spermy's gonna freeze you. I fucking told you too, and you kept coming over here. I forgot I had homing. Damn, the sun card shows you secret rooms too. I didn't see it. I am so fast. Alright. Woo woo. Fuck you. The freezing is just so satisfying. Yeah. Yeah, I'll do it. See, I told you I didn't need... Oh. Both of these will kill me, correct? I mean, I have to. I had to know what was in it. There's something wrong with my fucking brain. Ooh! I'm gonna be pissed if I lose shit on this one, when I could have just left. This is an easy one. He's a frozen bitch. Oh! God, I'm fucking stupid. I've never met anyone stupider than me. That is definitely not true, but it's funny. I want to get the fuck out of here. That's what I want to do. I really want to get the fuck out of here. I hate this stupid game. I will not lose. I will not lose. I will not lose. What is this? Alright. Fuck it. I'm a fucking lunatic. What can I say? I'm gonna donate because I might die. And I'm almost there. Hey, I'll do that just in case. I don't know what floor I'm on. That was fucking risky, bro. I didn't know if it was mom or not. That was a stupid thing for me to do. I do not like this. Not one bit. Stay the fuck over there. Oh my god, he's got his nipples out and everything. I killed your poop, baby. Oh, you're nothing, dude. You're nothing. He almost sucked me right into his taint. I forgot I had homing again. Why is he not shooting me, like, at all? Okay, nope, 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 nope. Yeah, you bitch. Well, that'll kill me. I should probably go, right? I think yes. I'm gonna try for a secret room here, though. I'm gonna try for a secret room here, though. Yeah. Alright. I gotta take it slow, gotta take it slow, gotta take it slow. I know it's overkill, but I will die in this room. Yeah. Whoops. No thank you. I mean, flying is always good. At 3 hearts, I got this. What is the timing before? Do I need anything timed? No, god damn, I did. I've gotten a lot done on this one. I think I need to just do Devil on Eden at this point, right? Thank you. Uh oh. Oops. Why did I get so fucking close to it? Why am I doing this to myself? Because I'm an idiot. There's only one answer. Thank you. Another fucking floor we can't see anything on? Bullshit. I hate curses. I didn't know what to do, if I should just stand there or not. I forgot I had homing again. I can move. Give me Spectral and I'll win. Frozen bitch. Look how pissed he is, too. Ah! Yo, that sounded just like a bird. I've never made that noise before. 10 bombs. I could fuck with that little thing. You got nothing to suck, you stupid bitch. Yeah, blow me, you bitch. Whoa, it almost blew me. I see it. I hate who I am as a person. Ew, why are you making that stupid noise? I'm gonna fucking die. Cause I don't know how to fucking control myself. Well, I guess I'm gonna play this for a second. Fuck. Balls of steel.
Invested?
Oh. What else can I do? Was there a shop? I don't know at all where I was. Oh shit. Oh. Woo! Why am I making these risky fucking moves? Fuck. This is so scary. And I'm just continually doing it. I mean, are we at the point where I have to bomb all the mushrooms? Seems like what I'm gonna have to do. Give me a spirit here, poops. Oh, thank you. Damn, Spermy. What is this one gonna... Is it gonna explode into bullets? Yeah. Are you dead? No. I didn't realize I hadn't been to the item room yet. I mean, that's damage. Obviously, I don't need the goddamn hanged man. Oh, okay. But if I get another spirit heart, I don't remember what this fucking thing does. I'm just taking Guppy's paw, because watch me get a fucking heart, and then I won't be able to be a whore again. And then I lose everything. I mean, it's all I can do. Good. Good. Give me an easy one. Bastards. I put my bomb down. It was my fault. Oh, yeah. That's not gonna give me hearts, is it? I don't think it does. I don't know enough. I just don't know enough. Yo, I've had pills. I hope the white one's balls of steel.
Are you a wizard?
It's not.
Tears.
Are they all the same? This one's different.
Pretty
Good.
fly.
Let's get the fuck out of here. I hate not seeing the map. I'm just gonna go to the... see what I can do here. Thank God I came here. I still have Are You a Wizard? Beautiful. That was risky. Why do I keep doing risky shit? Okay. Hey, why don't we just get the fuck out of here? I better not have to go back over there. Now, if you freeze them, they won't turn into the... Wow! That's fucking cool. I mean, I guess I don't have to go that direction, but... I won't get the item room. I need spectral! Yo, what the fuck is this room? Oh my fucking god. It's Mom, isn't it? Oh, no it isn't. There's two of them? Is that what's happening? I can't pay attention to the other one. I can't. Oh, there's something else over there, bro. Well, this is my priority at the moment. Woo! Okay. I see the other one. It's gotta be fucking dead. Fuck you. Come on, die! Any other day of the week that would have hit me. But, okay. You don't become, like, enraged when your brother dies, do you? Nah. You're fine. Come on, Spermy. Keep him frozen. Keep him frozen. Come on, you die, you stupid bitch! Cunt of health. Come on. Die, you whore. Yeah. And it gives me fucking tears? That's the best fighting I've ever done. Is it worth? I got more bombs. Fuck it. Let's just continue out through this. Oops. I don't want anything to do with that room. It looks like a fucking pain in the ass. I hate these fucking ones. They're so fucking stupid. I mean, my best chance is to freeze them. Well, that worked out well, actually. Cheating spiders. Yo, give me spectral. Definitely should have been hit by that, but okay. Whatever. Good. I hate it! Why am I continuing on? Fuck you. Okay. Guess we're cheating. How many fucking hits? I have a feeling it's here. No, it can't be because the item room was small. Pay attention, Tori. Get my fucking keys back. Stupid bitches. Don't touch my bomb. Let's get the fuck out of here. Almost ran into some pups. I got 10 keys. Sure. Oh! I thought they'd be books. Oh! Damn, it just changes everything in a room, huh? Well, this is interesting now, huh? I mean, I'm relying on Spermy more than ever. It's actually probably better, because I need to have been focusing on where I am instead of where my tears are, so I just won't even focus on it. Ah, I should have been hit. I guess it's a form of spectral, isn't it? Thank you, Spermy. Alright. Damn. How many fucking spirit hearts does it give you? Woo! I saw it coming up, too. Thank you! I mean, in a couple rooms, it changes fucking everything, huh? Yeah, we'll go. Sure. Hey! Oh no, I'm not the whore now. Fucking stupid. Oh, I guess I can use Guppy's paw if I need to. But let's go see what the devil deal is if I get one. And then we'll go from there. Any jumping bastards in here? No, I don't think so. So we'll just hang out here. You don't think I'll wait? I'll fucking wait. I don't want that. Stop following me. I know why it's following me. I got the magnets. I guess fuck it, right? As much health as I can. If you would be so kind. Cool. Fuck you. You don't think I'll wait, bro? You don't know me. Woo! That was close. I guess I won't wait. I guess I don't know myself. Could be interesting. Thank you. I picked up a heart. Didn't mean to. Alright, let's go. I don't need to waste my time with some bullshit. Yeah. I see tinties when no one else sees tinties. Give me that. I think I'm ready. I think I'm ready. Yeah, you stupid bitch. Come here. Just watch for shadows. You don't even care where your fucking shit is. It don't matter. Free shit. All right. I got cocky. Fuck, dude. Woo! I'm fucking too fast, I'm good. I didn't even see that. I was not paying attention. Come on, bitch. Pop up. Yeah. Oh, shit. Which side is the fucking bad side? I don't know. You know how easy it would be to look this up? Hey! I did it correctly. Let's go. I mean, that floor changed a lot. Did I choose it correctly, actually? I don't know, actually. No, I don't know. Dude, this head is entirely too close to me. Oh, I don't like this. Oh. But I'm fucking amazing, so. I don't think I timed that correctly and I still was alright. Whoa. Alright, now, it genuinely, some of this should have been hitting me and it's not now. Now I'm not cheating, I swear to God. That's gonna explode into bullets. I forgot I could fly. Oh my God, it's the fucking SpongeBob grandma. Alright, we got hands. Let's go. It's gotta be more than that. Yeah, you stupid bitch. Damn, I found that quick. I deserved it for being cocky. I completely forgot I had 99 goddamn bombs. Well, pointless. Whoa! I've never seen this fucking guy before. I mean, I know he's one of the 4 horsemen, but he's fucking fancy. But he means nothing to me. Was that a good use of it? No, I think he was off the screen, so it didn't count. Good. Good. Woo! Yo! God damn, I'm good. Yeah, give me that. Oh, wait. I think that was the right thing to do. Pick up a heart before I go in here. Oh, we got Baby Plum. I love Baby Plum. I don't know what this is, so I kind of want it. I've had Plum before. I wish I got Plum. Yo, every single floor has been a goddamn curse. What the fuck? Well, it is not good that I can't see what my health is. Why are they all fucking bloody? That's my tomato? Suck my son.
The sun.
Ugh. I don't see any tinties. Oh shit. Alright. I think it's better to just go for it. Does that hurt him? Meat Boy will. Yeah. I don't understand what the tomato's done. Is it good? Is it bad? I'll fuck for a secret room real quick. Fucking spermies in this room too. It's a little fucking overcrowded, don't you think? And I didn't get hit? Crazy. Fuck you. Could be here. Ugh. I hate it. Is that a tinty? Yeah, it is. Alright. Whoa. Almost fucking immediately. It's like those eyes pop up every fucking time and you still fucking hit them. How? How is that possible? To be that shit. Freeze him, bitch. You might not be able to freeze this one. I don't think anything hit me, but okay. I guess we're just fucking making stuff up now. Please die. Please fucking die. Please fucking die. Not me! Fuck you!